This week I'm in Paris, and in honour of my location I thought that we should talk about how to manage foreign words in our writing. Like so many other decisions related to writing, how to manage foreign words is very much a style choice, and there are no hard and fast rules. The general rule of thumb is to use italics to identify or set off foreign words when we're writing. But how do you decide what is in fact a foreign word and which words have become used so frequently in your own language that they are no longer considered foreign but are borrowed? If you're using words that have become so commonly used in English that they are in an English dictionary, then generally speaking, you don't need to italicize them, as they are well recognised and commonly used. So for words such as croissant, cul-de-sac, non sequitur, cliché, if you check your own dictionary of preference and they're in there, then generally you don't need to italicize. Of course, context is everything, and if there's a chance that there could be confusion between the word of foreign origin and a word in English, then it's important to either italicize or offer an explanation. So for example, pain for bread in French could be confused with pain, or mole in Spanish could be confused with mole. So consider the context and the readership when making this decision. If you need to use a particular foreign word frequently in something that you're writing, then italicizing it at every occurrence can be distracting for your reader. In this instance, what you should do is italicize at its first mention, provide an explanation in brackets or inside commas, and then after that, there's no need to italicize. An alternative to using italics is using quotes. An alternative to using italics is using quotes, and some style guides do recommend this as their choice. So if you're using a style guide, do check to see what their preference is. As always, the message is to be consistent in your writing. The next time you use a word of foreign origin, think carefully about the best way to present that to your readers. I hope that was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more worry-free writing chat, and check the description for more places to connect with me. Au revoir.